How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find duplicates in an array. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so first we're going to create an array. For my example, I have an array with 6 elements. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 5. Next we're going to create a method called findMax, which gives you the biggest element in your array. So public static int findMax. Int array. Alright, next we're going to create a variable called int max and set that to the first element in the array. Next we're going to create a for loop for int I and set that to 0. Then we're going to have I less than array.length. Then we're going to increment I by 1. Inside our for loop we're going to have if array at I is greater than max. Our max is that array element. Outside of our for loop, we're going to return max. Alright, next we're going to have our find duplicates method. So public static void find duplicates. Then we're going to pass in an array again. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is create another array called occurrences. So int occurrences. And we'll set that to new int, and it's going to be the size of our biggest element times 2. So find max array times 2. Alright, next we're going to create a for loop that goes through the array being passed. So for int I, set that to 0. Then we're going to have I less than array.length. Then we're going to increment I by 1. Inside of our for loop, we're just going to have occurrences at array I. It gets incremented by 1. So every time we come across an element in that array, we add 1 to that occurrence of that number. Next we're going to create a second for loop that counts through our occurrences array. So int I, set that to 0. Then we're going to have I less than occurrences dot length. Then we're going to increment I by 1 again. Inside of this for loop, we're going to have if occurrences at I is less than or equal to 1, we will continue or skip over those numbers. Else, we're going to have system out the duplicates are colon array at I. Now in our main method we're going to call on our find duplicates method, and we're going to pass through the array we created in our first line or in the line above. Alright, now let's see what duplicates we found in our array. The duplicate found in our array is 5. And that's how you find duplicates in an array. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.